Stop what you're doing. You're not going to believe the sneaker drops coming up. From a legendary Air Jordan comeback to an unexpected Adidas collab that could change everything, the sneaker world is going wild. Stay locked in because you don't want to miss this. Hey everyone, welcome back to Azay Store Official, your go-to spot for the latest sneaker drops, trends, and everything in between. Today, we've got some major sneaker news that's shaking up the community. We're talking about the Air Jordan 1 High 85 Bred, the Fear of God x Adidas collaboration, and a few other iconic kicks that are making serious waves right now. So grab your favorite snacks, hit that like button, and let's dive right in. All right, let's kick things off with a sneaker that needs no introduction, the legendary Air Jordan 1 High 85 Bred. This shoe is more than just a sneaker. It's a piece of basketball history. And guess what? It's coming back on February 14th, 2025. Yes, Sneakerheads, just in time for Valentine's Day. But here's the catch. This drop is super limited. Only 10,000 pairs are being released. And if you're hoping to grab a pair on Nike's SNKRS app, well, think again. Jordan Brand is going old school with this one, selling them exclusively at 23 select retail locations across the US for a retail price of $250. And let's not forget the history behind this sneaker. Back in '85, when MJ rocked the original Bred colorway, the NBA banned it for violating uniform regulations. But did that stop Nike? Nope. They turned the controversy into one of the greatest marketing moves ever, making the AJ1 one of the most iconic sneakers of all time. This latest drop is staying true to its roots. Same high-cut silhouette, the same premium leather, and the same rebellious attitude. And to make things even more interesting, Jordan Brand has completely deactivated its Instagram account. Yep, you heard that right, to build organic hype around the release. Now, the big question, how will this sneaker hold up in the resale market? Some say the exclusivity will drive up prices, but with so many Jordan 1 releases lately, others think the market might cool down. Let me know what you think in the comments. Next up, we have a collab that's got the sneaker world buzzing, the Fear of God x Adidas collection. For those who don't know, Jerry Lorenzo, the genius behind Fear of God, has teamed up with Adidas to create something truly special. While details on the designs and release dates are still under wraps, we already know it's going to be a blend of high fashion and streetwear, something Lorenzo has mastered. Adidas has been on a roll lately with its collaborations, and this one could be a game changer. With Fear of God's minimalist aesthetic combined with Adidas's performance technology, we're expecting sleek silhouettes, premium materials, and groundbreaking designs. One standout feature, Light Strike technology. This cutting-edge cushioning system ensures lightweight comfort, perfect for both street style and performance. And let's not forget those translucent outsoles and midfoot straps that add an extra layer of style and function. But this collab isn't just about sneakers, it's about cultural impact. With Adidas looking to bounce back from past missteps, this partnership could be their ticket to regaining dominance in the sneaker scene. Now, aside from the AJ1 High 85 and Fear of God x Adidas, there are plenty of other sneaker drops to get excited about. Here are some that should be on your radar. Travis Scott x Nike Dunk Low. Another hyped collab with crazy resale potential. Expect earthy tones, premium materials, and Cactus Jack branding. And Nike Dunk Low Polar Blue, a clean classic colorway that's perfect for everyday wear. And Jordan 3 Palomino, a must-have for collectors looking to add something fresh to their rotation. Each of these releases taps into different aspects of sneaker culture, whether it's collaborations with artists, reimagined classics, or limited edition heat. All right, let's take a step back and talk about sneaker culture as a whole. The hype surrounding these releases shows how sneakers have evolved from just footwear to cultural artifacts. Think about it, exclusive drops, insane resale values, and even brands deactivating social media accounts just to build hype. The sneaker game is changing. Some love it, others hate it. But one thing's for sure, the demand for rare and high-quality sneakers isn't going anywhere. And that's a wrap. We covered the Air Jordan 1 High 85 Bred, the Fear of God x Adidas collab, and some other heat coming our way. But I want to hear from you. Which of these drops are you most excited about? Will the Jordan 1 High 85 Bred live up to the hype? And what do you think about Adidas's big move here with the Fear of God? Drop a comment below and let's get the conversation going. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep those kicks fresh.